At PNC, we believe some of the most basic and boring information can lead to brilliant outcomes. Today, we'll show you how to endorse a check to someone else step by step. Your name may be on the check, but there may be times you want to sign it over to someone else. Here are the simple steps to endorse a check to a third party. Before you do so, you'll need to have the other person make sure their bank or credit union will accept it. Not all of them do. Some will require both of you to be present when cashing it. On the back of the check, look for the line or box that says Endorse here. Sign your name exactly as it appears on the Pay To line on the front of the check. Under your signature, write these words, "Pay to the order of," and spell out the recipient's name. Make sure it's legible. Your part's over. Give the check to the other party. They'll need to show ID and sign it when they go to cash it. And that's how you endorse a check to a third party. Learn more on PNC Personal Finance Insights at pnc.com/learn.